Hey friends, how are you all doing? Today I am going to show you step by step how you can upload your own content or videos on TikTok. But before we start the video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tech. So let's begin. First, open your TikTok account, then tap on the plus icon on the right side. You will see the gallery option. Tap on it and select the video or content you want to upload. For example, I am choosing this video. Now tap on next. Here you will see the description box. Write whatever you want in your description. You can also add hashtags by clicking on the hashtag option. TikTok even shows you trending hashtags. Next, you will find the location option. You can set your location here. With the add link option, you can paste any link you want. Under who can view this post, you can make your post either public or private. In more options, you will find useful settings. Allow or disallow comments, change video language, turn on high quality upload, control audience, block viewers or under 10 years old, enable copyright sound check so you know if your video has copyright issues before posting. Once everything is set, simply tap on the post button on the right. Wait a few seconds and your video will be live on TikTok. And that's it. Your video has been posted successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe your channel Zonic Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.